Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and somebody asked me about the Windows Insider program, where it's at now, and also there's a change that is happening this week for those that are in the different channels, specifically if you're in the dev channel. So the Windows Insider program can be turned on and accessed through Windows Update. Where you go to the Windows Insider program, you can then join the program. And if you do, you will have the ability to join different channels. So right now, the channels are divided into, in Windows 11, a Windows Insider Release Preview. That's the safest of all. It is there to test out features or bug fixes, updates that will arrive later in the month. So those on Release Preview, for example, already have the update previews that are to be released this week. Then the next level is Beta. Beta is the level where you will be testing features that, for the most part, will be arriving at some point in the next weeks and months into the official Windows 11 channel. So that means what you're testing in the beta channel usually comes eventually to everyone at some point. It lets you test some of the new features. It's a rather safe channel also to use. Now, the big change this week is on the dev channel. Dev channel and beta channel were getting the same updates until this week. This week, there's a separation between the dev channel and the beta channel. So if you haven't yet received the new dev channel built and installed it, you can actually change your channel from dev to beta if you want to remain there. Because starting this week, the dev channel is taking its own direction, and you won't be able to change that into beta anymore. And finally, the one that I am testing here on one of my machines, the Canary channel. The Canary channel is meant to test all sorts of features that might or might not make it into Windows 11 at some point. And the Canary channel is probably the most dangerous in terms of problems that could arrive, because there's a lot of new things that are pushed there. Some of Windows 11 24H2, for example, but some from possible 25H2 later this year also. And of course, it's a make or break thing. So what's in the Canary channel might show up at some point, they might change their mind and say, well, no, finally, we're not going to do it. So this is what's happening with the channels right now. Yes, the Windows Insider program is not as exciting as it used to be, but if you want to be part of the testing of Windows 11 and see new features before everybody else, you can, check out one of those channels if you wish to do so. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.